It was a moment of joy and merriment at the traditional marriage between the Special Assistant to Governor Chukwunonso on Media, Ms. Ogechukwu Ibemesi, and her husband, Mr. Chukwunonso at Ogbunike, Oyi Council area. Correspondent Chukwunonso now reports.
Full event had in attendance top government functionaries, including the Chief of Staff to the Governor, Chief Ernest Ezajui, Commissioner for Information, Mr. Paul Nwosu, Deputy Speaker of Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable Chukwuma Okoye, former House of Representative member, Chief Chinedu Obidigwe, among others. The groom, Mr. Ekwueme from Umuoka in Udi local government area of Enugu State, who expressed happiness for the day, explained that he met his wife at an event from where the relationship blossomed, leading to their marriage, adding that his wife has the qualities he wants in a woman.
I want to thank her. She's the best in the world to me, and kind of person I dream of to be with. And eventually God sent her from above.
The bride, now Mrs. Ekwueme, who thanked God for her marriage, said she is prepared for the journey of marriage with her husband and advised the single not to be deceived by what they see on social media in making life decisions.
Marriage is very sweet. Don't be deceived by social media. If you're still single, try to get married. Married is very sweet. Show yourself more understanding, long life, wealth.
Father of the bride, Mr. Godwin Ibemesi, who expressed joy for the marriage of his only daughter, prayed for a fruitful union, while the mother of the groom, Maureen Ekwueme, advised the young couple to put God first in their marital journey for his blessings to be made manifest in their lives. In their various remarks, the Chief of Staff to the Governor, Chief Ezajui, the Managing Director of Anambra State Waste Management Agency, ASWAMA, Mr. Mike Ozemena, and an APGA stakeholder, Chief Obi Ochijemodlim, advised the couple on patience, humility, endurance, understanding, and avoiding third party in their union to have a fruitful marriage.
With that patient humility, then your marriage will live as long as you can think of. Marriage is also enjoyable. So I wish them good luck.
The event climaxed with an eye-catching entrance of the bride and her bridal train, the customary search for her husband, and dance by the couple. From Ogbunike, it's been Chukwunonso for EBS News.